What's up, nerds? It's the Shriver Twins.
Wingardium Leviosa! Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
You're going to talk in a British accent the whole time, aren't
Yes,
you?
I am.
Okay.
I'm not. No, I can't. I can't keep
hold
that
it.
going.
So today we're going to do some arts and crafts. We're going to show you guys how to make your own Harry Potter inspired wand with paper, which is
So you
pretty
need
cool.
paper, scissors,
And
hot glue, and then paint.
Paint. So I say we. Caitlyn made this one.
I was like, excuse me, I made this. So we made this. There you go. And it's just paper and hot glue, and we have yet to paint it, which I believe Kristina is going to do.
Yes, I was going to paint it today while Caitlyn
I
shows
walk you through
guys
how to do it the right way.
How to do it, but you can it's kind of hard to tell, but you can see there's. I'll try and get it close.
Yeah, there you go.
But you can see that there's.
Spin it. Yeah. There you go.
But yeah,
All right.
there's hot glue and fun designs and stuff that you can do with it.
And you can make it different colors. You can paint it. What color are you painting? You're just painting it brown.
I'm just painting it brown.
She's making it brown. That's fun.
Basic, but it's just a fun arts and crafts thing to do with your kiddos. You know, bored at home, trying to come up with other things to do besides popping them in front of the TV.
Yeah.
So
And if they're a little witch or wizard,
yeah,
then
it's
they
just
need a
fun.
wand. So what you got to do is you take a piece of paper, like so, and you take one of the corners, and you start rolling it. Tight rolls, and just keep it going. Why aren't you painting yet? You can start
I
painting.
just put the paint on the
You're
brush.
so slow.
I know.
And you just roll it until. Yeah, no. There we go. And I like making them thin because they're just easier, especially if you have like little ones, because then their hands can actually hold it. If it's too big, they won't be able to hold it.
Wow.
I know I can say it without not like. Yeah. Okay. Anyways,
Good job.
Wow, I made this like really skinny. So then you have it like so. I took the scissors away.
It's okay.
Oh well. So you can do this one of two ways. So you see the little flap right there. You can either tape it down or glue it. I'm impatient. I'm gonna tape it. Also, you need tape. So
I was gonna say Elmer's glue works just as well as hot glue to put it together.
for the actual
design part,
oh,
you
that
want
looks
hot.
cool.
I'm a good artist.
You're
Not really.
painting it.
I know.
Well, we know how you are with painting.
I'm terrible.
Okay, so since I don't have scissors, what you are supposed to do is you're supposed to cut each end, so then you don't have that weird kind of like cotton candy holder thing end. So what I'm going to do instead is just kind of fold it
That's
in.
a technical term.
Yeah, these are all technical terms that I'm using, so get in there. Little. There we go. So I just folded it in because that's just how I'm going to do it, because I forgot my scissors. And if you have little ones, please have a parent or, a grown-up use the scissors.
And hot glue.
And the hot glue, because little ones can burn their fingers, and I have a feeling I'm going to burn mine, but fingers crossed. I won't.
You probably will.
I probably will, because I'm a grown-up sometimes. So anyway, so you want to cut the ends, and then once you get that, you want to take your hot glue, parent or adult, and just fill the hole.
Fill the end of it so it's solid.
Yep. Oh, it's fun. Okay. So what I always recommend too is just while the glue is drying, just to rotate it. Just that way it can kind of disperse evenly inside or wherever you're doing the gluing. And then it dries fairly quickly. Just don't touch it until you're 100% sure that it's dry. Because I've done that before. Yay!
So kind
You
of.
do realize you have to wait for that to dry before you can paint the bottom,
I
right?
know. I'm probably not going to paint the bottom right now because I don't want to get paint all over my hands. But you can kind of see, that looks.
That looks cool. Wow, I did a good
legit,
job.
actually. So, I mean, there's some spots that I need to go over for
But
sure.
like you could go in
but
with like black even down here.
right, you could have some fun with the colors, make it your own.
You can make it a rainbow.
I just have brown paint, so that's all I'm gonna do.
Basic.
It's kind of like Hermione Granger's wand a little bit.
It's like Hermione's and Harry's had a baby.
Pretty much. But you know, you can make your own designs. You can pull up reference photos if you're trying to make it as accurate as possible to the movies if you want to.
Which it's really hard
Have
with
fun
glue,
with
but
it,
if you have a skill that I don't have, good for you.
Right.
Okay, so the next step, so glued the end, glued the top. Make sure that's dry. Oh no, oh well.
It's okay.
It kind of deflated a little bit. So what I always like to start with is the actual like handle base for the wand. So I was just trying to get like at least a little bit of a section kind of built out. Oh, that was poorly done.
At the bottom.
I don't know if you guys can
like
see this. I'm going to get
fourth of
close
it.
to the camera.
Nice.
Ooh, sorry, I bumped my mic. And again, you want to rotate it so that way it kind of disperses evenly. Otherwise, you're going to have just like a big clump in one section. But yeah, just rotate that. And that looks cool.
Right? It looks pretty cool.
Not bad. Yeah, wait, put it up to the camera.
Again? I just did.
And just spin it again. It looks cool. That looks nice. But yeah, like, it's so crazy. This is just paper and hot glue. Anybody can make a wand now. Like,
I don't need to
it just
keep putting my hand there. I don't need
but
to
then
do
our
that.
faces are in the way. So, there you go. That looks nice. Okay. So anyway, so like I said, so you want to start with like the handle. I did this on the wrong end, I think. Oh well.
It's okay.
And I always do 2 little like rings of glue on the very end, and then where I want the start of the handle to go. And again, just make sure you rotate it like so. And you can do a bunch of different fun designs, really anything. I think I'm just going to go crazy with the hot glue for a second and just, let's do that. Yeah.
Nice.
We're rocking and rolling now.
Nice, nice.
I'm going to need another glue stick here in a second, though.
Okay, we have plenty.
Yeah. And thankfully, you can use like acrylic paint because that dries
Yeah,
really
this is actually
quickly.
drying fairly quickly, so.
But yeah, it's like, it's really easy. Anybody can do it. But again, if, you know, you have little ones, even then, just make sure, you know, an adult handles, you know, the hot glue and the scissors.
The kids can do the painting part.
The kids can do the painting.
If I can do the painting part, kids can do it.
Can you get the
so.
hot, give me a glue stick again.
The painting is the best part,
Just
too.
put it in there for me. Thank y'all.
So yeah, this actually looks pretty good. But it's fun, you know, and then...
You can watch Harry Potter while you do it.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's just a fun craft to kind of keep the kids busy and keep their minds occupied. Gives you a break if you're a parent.
Well, not really, because they have to handle all the...
Well, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like they're having to, like, run around and chase them. Like, they're sitting down.
Yeah. Plus, crafting is fun.
It's fun. I love arts and crafts.
We would do this kind of stuff growing up. So, like, it's just...
blast.
It creates memories, and... Plus,
And you have your own wand. But then again, you could always just go out in the backyard and grab a stick, and it's the same thing.
Not really, because
But-
you made this, and you
That's fair.
put your heart and soul into it. That's the difference. Just saying.
Touche.
But yeah, that's really all it is. So, yeah, see what kind of wands you guys can make at home, and be sure to like share us what yours end up looking like, and
Just have fun.
Just have fun with it. All right, well, you witches and wizards, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.